Hello again, welcome back. Another beer delivery. This is from Beer Merchants and it was an Oktoberfest deal. I've seen a few reviews on Oktoberfest beers from American reviewers, and it's not really a big thing here in the UK, in Scotland anyway. So I seen an offer popped up, an Oktoberfest package, so I thought I'll take advantage of that. So there's two lots, I think. Put that to one side. So one of the things was, yes, it's 24 bottles. It's absolutely massive. I'll see if I can pick that up. Mind you, the guy could hardly carry the box on the stair. So I'd ordered the Oktoberfest box, and also I think it was a mixed box of Belgian beers or something. I can't remember actually. Anyway, first things first. A big Paulaner 1 litre Stein. Oh, it's quite heavy. It's not as heavy as my other Stein, I don't think, which was like 2 pound 13 ounces or something. You could hardly lift it. That's an absolute cracker, that. Off to a good start. So the first one. Oh my goodness gracious. So this must be from the mixed Belgian box. Delirium Red. A strong fruit beer. I've had Delirium Tremens and that was outstanding. So Delirium Tremens Blonde beer. I don't know if that's the same. I don't know what I can't remember what style of beer Delirium's Tremens was. It might have been the blonde, I'm not sure. So this is a triple Carmelier or Carmelia Liar. Let's have a look. Yeah, it's 8.4%. Oh, it's in Germany. It's in German. Well, hold on. Brewed using a 3-grain recipe rediscovered from the 1679 Carmelite monastery. Triple Carmelite blends nature's gifts of barley, oats and wheat to produce a multi-layered triple. Refined yet balanced with soft floral notes and a surprisingly delicate taste. Oh. So did I say that was 8.4%? This one, the blonde, is 8.5%, and this one is 8%. I'm going to have to cough canny with these, just go easy on myself. Oh, a Belgian white fruit beer. Fruily strawberry beer. I don't think I've had a strawberry beer before, but I do like fruit beers. Oh, there's a bigger bottle. Lindemans Creek cherry beer, which I love. A lambic. Oh, I don't know what that is. Maybe I should just keep my glasses on. The strength, does it say the strength? I don't think it does, not that I can see. Well, it's 3.5% ABV, so it's a session. A lager beer, so this is Augustiner Brau München. So that's one of the Oktoberfest ones. That's a beauty, that. And that comes in at 5.2%. So they're just a wee bit mixed up. Hacker Shore Oktoberfest Marzen. Oh yes. A beer a day with TK. That's his favourite. Marzen beers. What's that coming at? It's got the ABV. Not that it matters. No, I can't see offhand. Next one, another Augustiner Braumunden. So that's an Oktoberfest beer as well. I have no idea what the ABV of that would be. Next, Straffa Hendrik Brews Triple Beer and 9. I've got the 11, which I've had before, the Half Moon Brewery. So this is the 9, which I haven't had. That's 9% ABV. Yeah, I've got the 11, and that was really special, that beer. Next one, on Spaten aus München Oktoberfest beer. That's a cracker. What's the ABV on that? It doesn't say. Oh, 5.9. Oh, there's another glass. Aha! Froely fruit beer. Where was that? There. Fantastic. I do like a nice glass. Bruges 6% ABV. I don't know what that is. A Weiss beer maybe? No. Traditional top fermented beer with bottle re-fermentation brewed by the Half Man. I've not got the Half Man lid. What did I do with that bottle? There it is there. The Half Moon. But this is brewed by Half Moon as well, but it's a different cap, like a jester. So that's Bruges. Doesn't say, I don't know what style that is. Just a Belgian beer. So the Belgians are mixed in with the Oktoberfests. Trappist Rochefort 8. I think I've got that in a box with my Trappist beers, which I haven't tried yet. I'm saving them. Well, I'm trying to work through my other beers first. This is a Belgian beer, Taras Bulba Extra Hoppy Ale. And that is a Noble Hop Session beer. That is 4.5% ABV. Oh yes. Westmalle Trappist Dubel. I've got that one already. I haven't tried it yet though. Another Oktoberfest beer. This is Tergensier Hell. I think Hell's just lager. Hell is style lager. Correct me if I'm wrong. That's Brauhaus Tegernsee. I've not tried most of these beers before. A Paulaner Münchner Hell, a Munich lager. So I think Hell or Helles is just a lager. This is my Paulaner glass that I've got. That's a cracking glass. And I haven't used it because I was waiting on a Paulaner beer. But it's an absolute beauty. Look, a lone can. Oh, Paulaner Oktoberfest. That's a big can, that. What's 500ml? Half a litre. That's an absolute beautiful. Most of these are 500ml, yeah. Half a litre. That's half a litre. I think like the Oktoberfest ones are mostly half litre. Paulaner Oktoberfest beer. What's different to that? Oh, you know what it is? I think that's the same beer, but one's in a can and one's in a bottle. I remember when I seen that when I ordered it. The Hofbrau Oktoberfest beer. It's a long time since I've had the Lowenbrau. Many years. And another Lowenbrau Oktoberfest beer. Is that the same one? No, it's not. Let me see if that's everything. Yeah, looks like it. The last time I was about to throw the box out and there was a glass in the box. So that's, I think that's 24 beers. So that's 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Maybe it was just a case of 9. Yeah, they've mixed the two up, not that it matters. So there's 22 beers. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, there's 20 beers and 2 glasses. The Paulaner Stein and the free glass, which is the Fruli. So I'll be opening these soon when the Oktoberfest starts. 18th of September, is that? Something like that. Anyway, I'm really looking forward to these. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time, hopefully. Ta-ta for now. Cheers, my dears.